Hi everyone, here we've got CUBOT X18 and let me share with you how to show battery percentage on the status bar in this device. So first of all we have to enter the settings, and now let's scroll down in order to find the battery. Let's tap on it, and on the second position we've got battery percentage option, which is right now obviously turned off because we've got only the battery icon on the status bar. So in order to turn it on, just tap on the switcher, and as you can see it immediately changes, and from now on right next to the battery icon we've got the exact percentage of the usage of the battery. Obviously you can turn it off the same way, but let me leave it like this. So actually that's all. This is how to show battery percentage in the status bar in your CUBOT X18. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.